Baroda PNB Paribas Innovation Fund NFO. Will this NFO be a good suit to your investment portfolio, or should you look for other investment opportunities? Let's do a detailed analysis in this video to find out. This Baroda PNB Paribas Innovation Fund NFO is open till 28th Feb 2024. Now let's start by analyzing some of its key features. It comes under Innovation Team category. It's an open-ended fund type. It uses Nifty 500 TRI as its benchmark. The minimum amount of investment is Rs 1000. The fund manager name is Pratish Krishnan. Exit load. If redeemed before 1 year, 1% exit load will be charged. Now next, let's look into the Baroda BNP Paribas Innovation Fund investment philosophy and investment objective. Investment philosophy. It aims to invest in opportunities across innovation team. Investment objective. It aims to create long-term wealth by investing in innovation teams, equity and equity-related instruments engaged in or expected to benefit from the growth in innovation team. Moving forward, let's check out the suitability of this Baroda BNP Paribas Innovation Fund suitability. It aims to invest in innovation teams, equity and equity-related instruments engaged in or expected to benefit from the growth in innovation team. It includes industries such as healthcare, automobile, consumer electronics, technologies, etc. Suitability. This scheme is suitable for aggressive investors who are bullish on innovation team's performance. Now next, let's analyze the Baroda BNP Paribas Innovation Fund pros of investing. This fund is diversified among top performing companies in the innovation team. It is suitable for investors seeking for allocation in the innovation team. If innovation team performs well, then investor can generate inflation beating returns, as it is a high risk, high return policy. It is suitable for aggressive investors who are more bullish on the innovation team's performance. Just like knowing the pros of investing, you should also be aware of the cons of investing as well. It is riskier for short-term investors. This fund is not suitable for your core portfolio. Not all great themes translate into stock market returns. You may overexposure your portfolio, which might lead to negative triggers as well. Not flexible and dynamic when compared to diversified funds. Can add more volatility to your portfolio. It has high concentration risk as it mostly invests in innovation funds. Suppose if the innovation team underperforms, at times it can give you no returns as well as negative returns as well. When you choose these kinds of NFO, timing and circle of competence becomes very important. It is always advisable to take the help of the financial planner or a professional mutual fund distributor before looking to invest in these sort of NFOs. Without consulting them, it becomes very risky. So far, we have analyzed all the key aspects of this Baroda BNP Paribas Innovation Fund NFO. Now it's time for the final takeaway. If you are a first-time investor or a conservative investor, then you should look to avoid this NFO. If you are looking to invest in innovation fund, in market there are already existing innovation fund which has a good track record of 7 to 10 years. When you choose the best among those funds, it will be much helpful for your financial goals. It is not suitable for investors who are looking for funds for their core portfolio. If you don't know when to enter or exit the innovation team, it's better you avoid this NFO. But still, consulting a financial planner before taking an investment decision will be crucial because he'll be able to verify the investment objective of this fund with your personal investment objective. He'll be able to verify the risk profile of this fund. Suppose if you have high overlap ratio, then he will not recommend this fund for you because as an investor, when you have high overlap ratio, then the chances of you generating much higher returns becomes lesser. He will also guide you on the allocation part. Suppose if a particular fund is well suitable for your investment portfolio or is so ideal for your investment portfolio, he'll be able to guide you on how much should you invest to achieve your financial goals. So it is always better and wise to consult a financial planner before taking an investment decision.
If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.